Hey, what's up everyone? Today we are going to do an install video. Just got a package in the mail today, and let's check it out. So I got these ditch light brackets, a pillar mount, whatever you want to call them. I ordered these from CBI, and it just arrived today, and we are going to install them. Okay, so we're going to start here on the driver's side. What you'll need is a 12mm socket. And we're gonna remove this top one right here. Okay, so we got a 12mm wrench here. This will work. So just remove the first one. That bolt removed, we're going to go ahead and take the bracket and it's going to go right there, but I'm going to have to put the camera down to get the bolt in there to hold it in place. Alright, so I got the bolt in there, so it's holding on to the bracket. So what I'm going to do now is remove the bolt in the back. Okay, so I got that bolt removed in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and line this up and put the bolt back in place, and then I'm going to tighten both of them. Okay, so both bolts are in place. All I need to do is tighten them, but when you start tightening them, can you see the paint line? So what I'm doing here is I'm just pushing up on the hood. So what I'm going to do is with one hand, I'm going to try to align that line, the paint line, with the mount right there. And as I'm holding this top right here, once I find the correct position, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it with my other hand. Oh, there you go. Both bolts are tightened. And that's what the bracket looks like. Now I'll go ahead and do the other side. All right, so on this side, I already got the top bolt removed. Let's go ahead and get this bracket on. Right there. So that top bolt is back on. So what I'm going to do is move this to the side. Careful not to scratch the paint on the other side. But I'm going to go ahead and remove that bolt so I can get that sucker into place. So give me a second. All right, second bolt is removed. I'm going to go ahead and slide that over, and then get that second bolt back into place. Give it a couple turns. There you go. And just like how I did with the driver's side, I'm going to take one hand and push up on this hood here and try to line up that paint mark, the paint line there with the mount, and then I'll tighten it. Let's see, probably right there. I'll go ahead and tighten it down. There you go. Both bolts are tightened and the bracket is mounted. That's what it looks like. You know what? Let's go ahead and mount the lights so we can see what it looks like. I'll be right back. Okay, so these were the lights I was gonna run for the ditch lights. That was before I decided I was gonna install some bumpers on this Tundra. So now with the bumper, because I'm limited on light selection for the bumper for the light bar cutout, might have to go with a different brand to fit a light in there. So I'll probably install these on the 80 series. But for now, let's just get these mounted in there, and I will drive around with these just for looks, JFL. In the meantime, alright, so I got one mounted. These brackets are cool. They got these little cutouts for the zip ties. Hold the wire in place. So they are mounted, but they are not wired to a switch or anything. I'm just gonna keep these on. JFL, just for looks. Well, that wraps it up for this this video of the install. If you have any questions about the install, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.